Clients have FOMO. Hey, welcome to Build Beyond. This is for beauty artists who are ready to take their business to the next level, who are ready to book more clients, increase their income, and build a successful, sustainable beauty business. I'm Alex, your Build Beyond guide and beauty business expert. I've helped over 300 students build their beauty business beyond 10K months and take their business, income, and lives to the next level. So you're ready? Let's build beyond. You gotta fake it till you make it. I hear a lot of artists saying they can't book clients because they have nothing to share. And they have nothing to share because they have no clients. It's a vicious circle. You don't have clients booked, so you have no photos of your work to showcase, so you can't book more clients. So what's the solution? You gotta fake it until you're making it. This is my take on identity shifting. If you are into all things manifestation and mindset, in order to become something, you need to act that way now before you are that thing, that person, that business. So basically acting as if you already have what you want. So in a sense, you are faking it now. That word may sound icky to you or may sound like you're being misleading or dishonest, but it's not. You are simply acting as if. So your goal is to be a booked up beauty artist. You need to act that way now. This is how you will become her. Do and act as her. Show up in your business as her. You have to do that now before you are her in order to become her. You have to make her your new identity in order to achieve it. You have to make that your identity. You have to become that person first. Show up like you are a booked up artist. Act and speak like you are a booked up artist. Manage your schedule like you are booked up. Share content like you are booked up. Show up confidently like you are in demand and booked up. So how do you do this? In 3 ways. Act as if, share as if, and create FOMO. Number 1, act as if. Show up, and by show up, I don't mean online or Insta. I mean in real life. Show up every day like you are a booked out artist, business owner that you want to be. How does she act? How does she think? How does she spend her time? Literally write out everything she does and start acting that way today, right now. Seriously, pause the video and go do this right now. What does she do first thing in the morning? Does she sleep in? Does she rush around? Does she have a slow morning? What does she have for breakfast? Does she eat something on the way, something healthy? Does she work out in the morning, in the evening? How many times a week? For how long? Does she get ready for her day? Does she care about her appearance? How does she think about herself? Is she confident? Is she always doubting herself? How does she interact with her clients? Is she happy, upbeat, polite? Is she harsh? How does she show up in the studio? Is she on time, with time to prep and be ready for a client? Is she late, always running behind? Now that you have figured out how the booked up version of you acts, start acting that way right now. For example, let's call her the booked up version of you. This booked up version of you has clients on Wednesdays, but the current today version of you doesn't have clients booked on Wednesday, this Wednesday, let's say. How do you act like that booked up version of you? Well, it's simple. You wake up, you get ready, and you go to the studio as if you have clients booked. How are you acting the way she would act if you're like, oh, I don't have clients, I'm going to lounge on the couch all day? Now, there's literally nothing wrong with lounging on the couch on your day off, but the person you want to be is in the studio on Wednesdays. So act like her now. You are in the studio on Wednesdays. So go into the studio, set up, clean, organize, work on your admin, practice, follow up, use this time to attract more clients, to book more clients, to grow your business. Create some content while you're there, which leads me into step 2. Share as if. Okay, you were in the studio on Wednesday, like booked up you would be. But what do? Do you sit there and stare at your phone all day? Do you have a nap on your bed? No, you share as if you are the booked up version of you. You share as if you are fully booked. So when you are in the studio, create content. Use your stories to literally tell a story. Show yourself getting to the studio, maybe stopping for a coffee on your way, getting set up for a client. Share pictures of your work. Share yourself cleaning up. Share yourself practicing. By doing this, you are showing up as if you are the booked up version of you. Do the things that the booked up version of you would do in the studio that day. Would you take a selfie when you first arrived? Would you show off your outfit that you're wearing that day? If you would do that, do it now. And while you are creating this story content to share for the day, create more longer form content of the same content that you can use on your feed. All of the videos you created of you being in the studio can be turned into B-roll content. And if you aren't familiar with B-roll content, it is content that you can use for stories, but also for reels of you just doing something where you share a quote or a valuable tip on top of it and can expand more in the comments if needed. B-roll is a trending style of content right now and really, really easy to make because all you have to do is record yourself doing something that you're already doing. And then you can use this content as fun or inspirational or educational, especially those videos of you cleaning and practicing. Otherwise, take the time to create some content ideas. Write down ideas in your notes on your phone, edit photos of your past work, and save them to a folder on your phone to be able to reshare. Because if you didn't know, you can share your work more than once. It is your work. You can share it as often as you like. And to be honest, nobody is paying that much attention. Start showing up on your Instagram or whatever social media platform you are using as booked up you. And finally, this leads me into our last step, which is creating FOMO. Clients have FOMO. People have FOMO. They don't want to miss out on an in-demand artist or service. So create FOMO around you, around your business, around your services. How is this done? This is done by specializing, which I have talked about a ton in the past couple of videos. You can go check those out, but choosing your favorite service and specializing in it in such a way to make yourself the go-to specialist in that service. But also creating FOMO by acting and showing up as if you are booked up you, of course. You are a booked up artist and clients will want to book with you. So do this by sharing as if. But you also do this by how you control and share your schedule and availability. You are booked up, you are not available anytime, day or night. So let's say you're chatting with a client who wants to book in. Only share 2 to 4 upcoming appointment times that you have available. Ideally the times that really work best for you. Or ask some questions first. Do evenings work best? Do Saturdays work best? Get an idea to when they need the appointment and then offer a couple spots in those times. Don't give away the farm. Clients are booking directly online. Don't leave your whole schedule open forever. First off, I recommend only having your schedule open about 2 to 3 months ahead of time. You still want flexibility in your schedule. 6 weeks is my sweet spot. But on the Square Booking app, there is a feature called Fake It. And basically using this feature, it makes your schedule look more booked than it actually is, making less appointments available when your clients go in and look at your schedule. If you don't have this feature, you can do this manually by cutting down what's available and then slowly opening it up as you get more bookings. Same goes for when you are showcasing your availability on your Instagram in your stories. This is a great way to create scarcity and FOMO by only doing it in a way that makes you seem like you only have a few spots left. Sharing 19 available spots for the week does not make you look like you are in demand, but sharing 8 spots for the month, it does. As those spots book up, you can always open up more spots for the month. Just be like, I decided to open up a couple spots because we got so booked, grab them before they're gone. Fake it till you make it. So start implementing these 3 fake it strategies into your business today and see how the demand for your business and your service increases and how many more clients start to book in with you. Are you ready for more ways to book more clients and grow your business? Download the free guide, Booked Up. The link is in the comments. It's 7 methods to start booking more clients for your business today. While you're at it, hit subscribe. I put out new videos twice a week. See you then.